Get moving and shed those pounds. Active hobbies for weight loss. Are you tired of those extra pounds holding you back? It's time to break free from a sedentary lifestyle and embrace the world of active hobbies. Incorporating active hobbies into your daily routine can not only help you shed unwanted weight but also bring joy and excitement to your life. Let's explore some fantastic options to get you moving towards a healthier, fitter you. Gardening isn't just a green thumb's passion. It's also an excellent way to burn calories. Digging, weeding, planting, and watering can give you a full body workout without feeling like exercise. Sports enthusiasts, rejoice! Playing your favorite sport not only improves your skills but also torches calories. It's a fun way to stay active, improve teamwork, and meet like-minded people. Nature lovers will adore hiking. Not only does it allow you to explore beautiful landscapes, but it also burns calories and boosts your cardiovascular health. Grab a friend and hit the trails. Cycling is an exhilarating activity that helps you shed pounds while enjoying the fresh air and stunning views. It's low impact, making it suitable for all fitness levels. If you prefer indoor activities, consider strength training. It not only aids weight loss but also builds muscle, increases metabolism, and enhances overall strength. For those seeking a mindful way to stay active, yoga is a fantastic choice. It improves flexibility, reduces stress, and enhances body awareness. Dancing isn't just for fun, it's a fantastic calorie-burning activity. Whether you groove to music in your living room or join a dance class, it's sure to elevate your mood and fitness level. The key to successful weight loss is finding an activity you genuinely enjoy. So, ditch the couch, embrace an active hobby, and start your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Start today and watch as your body transforms and your spirit soars.